Welcome to Tech Leaper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to do text strike-through effect on Slack. Now, at first, just go ahead and open up any of your Slack software or just open up the browser and go to Slack and just go to slack.com and then just log into your account using your email or Google account or Apple account. After that, what you're going to see is under My Workspaces, you're going to see all of your workspace listed. Just open any of them. And after that, it's going to load. Just give it some time. You might have to click on Use Slack in your browser and just wait for the workspace to load. And after it loads, you can just go to any of the channel in which you want to send a text, which is strike through. And after going there, you just need to type any message. That means this text is strike through. And then just select the part which you want to strike through. And here on the top format options, just select this one, strike through. You can also click on Control Shift and X at the same time. Just click on it. And there you go, the text has been strike through. If you want the entire thing to be strike through, select in the entire thing and then do it. And if you want to type all of your text strike through, make sure it is enabled. Then just type anything you want and it will be strike through. Then you can just send it. And basically, that is how to strike through your text in Slack. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.